Okay, students, let me see another one example for how to find out the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Okay, so we know very well how to find out the factor and how to find out the common factor and how to find out the highest common factor. Let me see one by one. I will tell you using this example. Now I am going to find out the highest common factor of 16 and 56. Okay, first I am going to find out 16. So 16, 8 twos are 16. Okay, then another 116 is equal to 16. Then another 1 factor? 4 fours are 16. Okay. Okay. These all are factor. Now I am going to collect the collect and write common factor. It means here 1. I am going to write as a ascending order. Okay. So 1, another 2, then another 4, then another 8, another 16. So these all are factors of 16. So now I am going to find out 56. So 223, no. Huh. 2 into 28 is equal to 56. 228 is equal to 56. 156 is equal to 56. 7 8s are 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. Then another factor. Yes, 14 6 are 14 4s are 14 4s are 56. So these all are factors of 56. See, 228 are 56, 156 is equal to 56, 7 8s are 56, 14 4s are 56. So I have found out factors of 56. Now let I collect the factors of ascending order. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, 56. So these all are factors of 56. Now let me find out common factor. So here 1 is here, here also 1 is there. So common factor. Common factor 1, here 2, here 2. 2, 4, 4. 8, 8. 16, there is no 16. So 1, 2, 4, 8 are the common factor. But what is the question? We want to find out the highest common factor. So this is the highest common factor because 1, 2, 4, if compare, 8 is the big number. So that is the highest common factor. So HCF is equal to 8. That is the answer. Okay. Hello students. Good morning to all. Last video we talked about how to find HCF. I hope you all are understand how to find HCF, highest common factor. Today we will see the same HCF but using prime factorization method. Okay. Today we will talk about the same finding HCF, highest common factor, but method is different. The method is prime factorization method. Let's come, I will tell you how to find out using this method. So example, find the HCF of 36, 48 and 90. So the three numbers, now I am going to find out highest common factor for which method? Prime factorization method. So first of all I am going to find out factors of 36. Okay. So 36 divided by 2. Okay. So how many 2's are there? I will take first one digit. Okay. Because this is bigger than this. So 1 2's are 2. Remainder 1. So 16. 8 2's are 16. Okay. So 2 28's are 36. No, wrong. Oh, sorry, 1 here 1. Yes, 1. So 2 18's are 36. Okay. Again I will divide by 2. So 9 2's are 18. Okay. Now can we divide by 3? No, we can divide by 3. Sorry, we cannot divide by 2. Now we can divide by 3. So 3 3's are 9. Okay. Now 3 we can divide by 3. So 3 1's are 3. 3 1's are 3. Okay. So now let me take the collected factors. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So these all are factors of 36. Let me find out 48. So 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8. Okay. So 1 2 is 2, 2 2's are 4. Okay. 6 2's are 12. 3 2's are 6. 3 2's are 6. 2 1 is 2. Okay, so these are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. These all are factors of 48. Okay. Now 90. Let me take 3. So 330. 330's are 90. 2. Okay. Now 330's are 90. Now 250's are 30. Okay. Now 3 5s are 15. Now 5 ones are 5. So these are 3 into 2 into 3 into 5. These all are factors. So now we have to take common factors. Here 2, how many 2s are? 1, 2, 3. So here 2 I will take 1, okay, and 3 common. Here 2 and 3. Okay, here common 2, 3, 5. So in these 3, 2 is common, okay, and 3 is common. So 2 into 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6. So 6 is the highest common factor by using prime factorization method. So 6 is the HCF. So students, you understand now how I find out. Let I explain one by one, step by step. Listen. First of all, take 36, then you divide by 2. Okay, because see the last digit is 6. So it can be divisible by 2. Last digit is 6, so we can divide by 2. So 2 18s are 36. Okay, last digit 8, so we can divide by 2. So 2 9s are 18, you know very well. So now we can divide by 3, because 9 is the divisibility of 3. Okay, so 3 3s are 9. So 3 1s are 3. So these all are factors of 36. Okay, these you have to take and write all the factors. Then here 48, last digit 8. So you know very well the test of divisibility already we talk about. So it can be divisible by 2. So 2 24s are 48. So again last digit is 4. So it can be divisible by 2. So 2 12s are 24. Okay, then 2 6 are 12. Then 3 2s are 6. Then 2 1s are 2. So these all are factors of this number. Okay, then we have to find out this another number 90. So 90, end of the is 0 now. So we can divide by 5 and 3 also. So 3 30 is equal to 90. Okay. So 2 15 is equal to 30. Then 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. These are all the factors. So we have to take which is the common factor. So 2 is common. Here 2 3s are there. So 1 3 I will take. 2 2s are there. So I will take 1 2. The 2 3s are there. I will take 1 3. So 2 3 is the common factor. Here 2 2 3 2 4 2s are there. So I will take 1. 1 3 is there. So I will take 1. Here 2 3s are there. So I will take 1 3. 1 2s are there here. So I will take 1 2. The 5 is 1. I will take. So we have to now we have to check these 3 factors. Which is the common factor? So 2 3. Here 2 3. Here also 2 3. This is the common factor. If you multiply 2 into 3, 6. So 6 is the highest common factor of this number 36, 48 and 90. Okay.